Hello, this is a short video to show you how to assemble the Duplex Janitorial Steam System. The steam system will come in 3 boxes. You'll have a trolley, which is this, the actual steam generator and a steam mop. You need to assemble the trolley first, okay? So we start with the Jet Steam Professional going onto the trolley, okay? Now, you'll find that the Jet Steam Professional has already got the bracket on the bottom to fit onto the trolley. So the machine fits onto the trolley like so. In the box you'll find 4 thumb screws, and they will fit here to secure the machine to the trolley. There's 2 each side of the machine, and they need to be tightened down. So now the Jet Steam Professional is on the base. Next comes 2 side supports, 1 each side. Push that in, lock it into place. Second side in, lock it into place. Then you have a closed tray, and these trays fit into the slots on the side supports. Like so, very simple. There's a top basket that's got obviously no base, and that always fits on the top. On these supports you've got these green covers, and they need to be taken off of the top before you put this on, and then you fit the top tray like that. These green covers can then be put on the side just to cover up these patches there. Okay, so that's the main 2 baskets fitted. You have a tray which fits on the back of the trolley, and I'll show you what that's for in a second. We have 2 buckets, and they fit into the top tray, like so. And then these you can put in small accessories, etc., cloths, the filler bottle that you use to fill up the steamer. The machine comes with its tools, and there's a video showing the use of these tools on our YouTube channel already, called Using the Jet Steam Professional. So the tools can all fit into the baskets. Small detailing knob can fit in the top there. Window squeegee. The 2 tubes fit at the back of the machine underneath. They just slot into place there. Okay, and the small accessories that come with the steamer, again, can fit into the buckets at the top. And finally, you have your steam mop, which is the mop you use with the Jet Steam Professional. That sits at the back onto that tray, and then that pushes into the clamp that holds it in place, and then the hose can be wound up, fit to the other side of the support. A microfiber pad for the steam mop, put that in there, and that is your trolley assembled.